Hey guys, welcome to another Gauging Gadgets Facebook tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to hide your friends list on Facebook. So this is actually really easy to do in the Facebook app on your iPhone or your Android phone, and it just adds another layer of privacy to Facebook where people viewing your profile cannot see who you are friends with. All right, so let's go ahead and get started with how to hide your friends list on Facebook. So the first thing you need to do is simply open up the Facebook app, then open the Facebook menu by selecting the three horizontal lines. Once in the menu, scroll down until you see Settings and Privacy. Go ahead and open that drop down, and then in that menu, select Settings. Now that we're in the settings, scroll down until you see Privacy and select the first option, which should be Privacy Settings. Then in Privacy Settings, scroll down until you get to How People Can Find and Contact You, and select Who Can See Your Friends List. Then in here, all we need to do is select More, and then you can limit it to Only Me, which will limit your friends list to only be visible to you. Once you've done that, you don't have to save anything. You can back out all the way back to Facebook if you want. All right, so that's how you hide the Facebook friends list in the mobile app on your iPhone or Android phone. If you have any questions about this, leave a comment below. I'll get back to you as soon as I can. If you'd like to see more Facebook tutorial videos, check the links in the description. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up, and please consider subscribing to my channel, Gauging Gadgets, for more gadget reviews and tech tutorials. Thank you so much for watching.